Finally, ये जो इंडिया है ना, it's got the Rafale, a 4.5 generation fighter jet with the world's most advanced AESA radar system, a highly advanced electronic warfare, meaning anti-detection system, the Spectra, also armed with beyond visual range or BVR, Meteor air-to-air missiles, plus the highly accurate air-to-ground Scalp cruise missiles. It's great for air-to-air combat, ground support, deep strikes, anti-ship and nuclear deterrence missions. The Rafale is that truly state-of-the-art medium multi-role combat aircraft that India has needed for years. And literally, it has taken many, many years. India's hunt for a 4.5 generation multi-role combat fighter started in 2004. It was to be acquired by 2011. Instead, it took 16 years. Even now, it's just 5 aircraft. India's first full-strength, fully equipped, fully operational Rafale squadron of 18 aircraft will only be ready in March 2021, and the second squadron only by April 2022. Writing for the Quint, retired Air Marshal M. Matheswaran sums up his disappointment saying, 1. In the tradition of India's chronic delays in defense procurement, which in the Rafale's case also included a lot of political tutu meme, this deal too took 10 years extra. 2. We've bought just 36 instead of the projected need of 126, which was 16 years ago, which has today probably gone up to at least 200 such aircraft. And 3. The deal has no make in India aspect, no local manufacture, no technology transfer. But still, it's a damn good aircraft. It will be the new tip of the spear of the Indian Air Force, its most lethal weapon. Air Marshal Matheswaran believes that even using the few Rafales that we will gradually acquire, tactically, they could be effective in deterring China at the LAC. Not starting tomorrow, but certainly within a few months. Okay, now let's talk about not the elephant, but the dragon in the room, China. Over the decades, the Indian Air Force has been mainly west-facing, looking towards Pakistan. Our deployment of combat aircraft, our estimation of the numbers needed, our strategies, all dictated by the need to deal with Pakistan. But now, along with the LOC with Pakistan, we need to pay active attention to the LAC in the east with China too. Just to understand why the new challenge is dramatically different, here are some facts. While Pakistan has 400 or so combat aircraft, India has 700, but China has 2,100 combat aircraft. While Pakistan's defense budget is $13 billion, India is higher at $66 billion, but again, China is way ahead with a defense budget of $178 billion. And while India's border with Pakistan is 3,300 kilometers, our border with China is even longer at 3,500 kilometers. Clearly, ये जो India है ना, the China challenge before its Air Force is huge. And so, to just deter China, not catch up, because that is no longer a realistic goal, here is what our Air Force just has to do. First, a point that many have made, the Air Force needs more aircraft, more operational squadrons, urgently. The Air Force has a sanctioned squadron strength of 42, but in fact, over the last 30 years, we have dropped steadily down to just 30 squadrons. Why? Because as our aircraft get obsolete, get old, and are phased out, we've been slow to replace them. Even among the fighters in service, the MiG-21 Bison and the Jaguar are both senior citizens now, and they're begging to be retired. But with China now turning active at the LAC, we should be asking, are even 42 squadrons enough? If not, then what is the new assessment? 45 squadrons, 50 squadrons or more. As you can see, it will take 2 years just for 2 Rafale squadrons to be fully operational. We also know it takes years for these aircraft deals worth thousands of crores to be negotiated. So clearly, we have to take decisions on massive additional aircraft purchases right now. And only then will we inch back to a strength of 42 squadrons, perhaps, maybe by the year 2035. Recognizing this urgency, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh has signed off on a purchase of 33 new fighter aircraft, including 12 Sukhoi 30s and 21 MiG-29s. We're also depending heavily on our own HAL's light combat aircraft, the Tejas, to rebuild our numbers. An initial order of 40 Tejas Mark I aircraft are gradually becoming operational. Chief of Air Staff Air Chief Marshal Bhadauria says another 83 Tejas Mark I and 1A fighters will be ordered. Their deliveries may start in 3 years' time. Then another 6 squadrons of the Tejas Mark II, and eventually we also hope to get a 5th generation plus advanced medium combat aircraft or AMCA from HAL years down the line. Now, while this sounds great, the problem in this plan is HAL. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, HAL, that sluggish Sarkari plane factory that took over 30 years to design and deliver the Tejas. And so, defense experts are skeptical about depending only on HAL. With a new Cold War having started between the US and China, with China turning unilaterally aggressive against us, India needs heft urgently. Just 36 Rafales are not enough, they're not going to cut it. We have to look to Europe or to the US to add more cutting edge to our fighter jet fleet, and we had to do this yesterday. In the meantime, the other realistic step we have to take is upgrade. Upgrade our Sukhoi 30 fleet, upgrade our Mirage 2000s, upgrade our MiG-29s. These upgrades would include adding superior air-to-air, beyond visual range or BVR missile capability, and superior radar and avionics systems. On the ground too, far more sophisticated air defense missile systems. Even a massive upgradation of the maintenance infrastructure at all our fighter bases. A reskilling of those airmen who are going to be servicing these new high-tech fighter jets. All this is needed. We also need more fighter pilots. Snehesh Philip, writing for The Print a year ago, pointed out that while Pakistan has 2.5 pilots per aircraft, India has just 1.5. In a conflict situation, when your fighter jets fly multiple missions in a day, you need fresh pilots to man them. Fewer pilots means more fatigue, which can make the difference between life and death in the air. Again, this cannot happen overnight. It takes years to build up this pilot capacity, the level of skill, the level of training that your pilots need. But we again must start this now. ये जो इंडिया है ना, we need to shake out of the Rafale के आने की excitement really fast and truly get our act together.